What's up, y'all? It's your girl Galen, and today I will be doing some twists on my natural hair. I don't think I've ever done this style before just because I've been waiting for my hair to reach a certain length so I can achieve the look that I've been wanting to go for, and I think this is pretty good. But first I'm going to start out by, I started out by washing my hair. It's wet and I'm gonna blow dry it. I don't want my hair to have too much shrinkage, so I want to elongate it as much as possible. And yeah, let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm using my wet brush and then a basic old blow dryer. I need another one, y'all, so don't talk about my blow dryer. That's all I'm gonna do, because this just, it's hot. It's hot. Who else hate blow drying their hair? Really, who else hate doing their hair? And this is the reason why I don't do too many hair videos, because child, my arms be tired. Alright, I'm oiling my scalp with Simply Beautiful hair oil. That's my mommy. So yeah, I'm just gonna put some throughout my scalp so it don't be dry. Alright, y'all, so I will be using Aunt Jackie's, what is this? Don't Shrink Black Seed Elongating Curl Gel. Just a little bit of this, just to, you know, keep the flyaways away. And I don't want my parts to be too little, so I'm just gonna take some chunks. Also, I'm not good at parts either, so I'm really just going to take some pieces of hair and start twisting, because this don't have to be perfect to me. Make sure you get a good grip on the roots. Good old grip. Just twist. But as you're twisting, you also want to kind of like rotate the strands as well. Okay, so I kind of like twist it around my finger. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the ends as well. Just keep it on your finger too. Keep the gel on your fingers.
That shit wavy.
Alright guys, so this is the finished product. Yes, all of them are different sizes, which doesn't bother me because when I do my hair, especially in a natural style, I don't really like it to be perfect. Yeah, I'm satisfied. Like, I feel like when you're natural, your hair just doesn't have to be perfect at all. I like that frizzy look. And yeah, this is okay. This is way better than just wearing my hair in a regular old bun. I am satisfied. Maybe next time I'll get somebody else to do it and it'll look way better. Guys, so if you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.